Alright, hey people. So today I'm coming to you with one of my absolute favorite videos to do, and that is a Cinderella synthetic wig. And on TikTok it's like a craze of everybody trying these wigs out, and they are from my favorite online store. Like, I love Shein, and today we're going to try that Cinderella wig out. Alright, Cinderella wigs is a synthetic wig. You can wear it one time only. Like, most of the time, that's it. That's all you can get out of her, and she is done. Okay, so I want to be very accurate with you guys on how much I paid for this wig. So let me go into my Shein app and let you guys know how much I paid for this wig. Alright, so I paid $19 for this long curly synthetic wig, and this is what she's supposed to look like. So from the picture it looked like she's going to be cute. Okay, so I'm like, okay, this is my color that I like to wear. Let's try her out. So here she goes. We got her. I have not tried her on. I have not did anything. Look, she's still in the hairnet. Okay, from the looks of it, out of the bag, she looks good. And I was scared. I was so scared to order a wig from Shein because a lot of Shein products are like a hit or a miss. Not trying to be funny or anything, but they are. A lot of things are hit and miss. And then when I saw that they were selling wigs, I'm like, okay, I guess Shein had to jump on the bandwagon. Okay, just looking at her straight out the packaging, the hair feels great. It don't look too shiny. It don't look too wiggy. However, the scalp is plastic. But if you look at it, it looks like a good scalp. It looks like a decent scalp, but it has no hairline. No hairline. But listen, I paid $19 for her. So you get what you pay for. They had some wigs on there that was a little bit more pricier than this. I think the most expensive wig that I saw was like $70, and I definitely was not buying a synthetic wig for $70. Not happening. I've never spent that much money on a synthetic wig because I only like to wear synthetic wigs when I'm like rushing and don't want to do all of the ball cap method and laying the baby hairs and slant to the gods. I just want to put on some hair and go. All right, so I have my natural hair out. I'm looking like a mess right now, so this wig is going to come in handy. So let me put my hair back into a cap, and we're going to try her on. We're going to try her on, so I'll be right back. All right, so I look like a full potato. I did not braid my hair or anything. I just pulled my hair back into it like a little bun and rolled it up and slapped this thing on. So yeah, I'm looking like a potato. Let's put the wig on. You get what you pay for, and I paid $19 for this wig. And with it on, it looks like a $19 wig. I just wanted to try out the Shein wigs. I just want to try them out. So everybody was talking about them on TikTok. It was just like, Shein wig this and Shein wig that. So I want to try it out. Okay, because I was scared of what the wig was going to look like. She's getting a little tangled. Okay, because I was like super duper scared of what she was going to look like, I ordered these like headbands. So whenever I have like Cinderella wigs that you can't do anything to the front with, I've learned in my Cinderella journey, put a headband on with it, and nobody would never know how bad the wig really is. So I popped that headband on. Let me see. Yep, I popped the headband on, and then boom. You see the scalp? Not really. Not really. You can't see the scalp, but it'll be good to wear to the grocery store, pick the kids up from school, just something to throw on, So I give the Shein wig roughly 7 out of 10. I give it a 7 out of 10. I will stick to my Sam's Beauty Daily Deal synthetic wig because at least it comes with like a real lace. This don't even come with a real lace. And I've ordered wigs for $19 before. And I'll at least get a faux lace. Alright, so this is the Shein wig. Like I said, I give it a 7 out of 10. She's cute. She's like super duper cute. She's like nothing that I'll wear to like dinner or anything, or like going out. Like I said, I will wear this like something quick, grocery store or whatever. You get what you pay for. If you like this wig, head on over to Shein and check them out. Until next time, bye.